Today, we're exploring a sophisticated sage green dress with sleeves, an ideal choice for the mother of the bride who wants to feel both comfortable and radiant. If you've ever wondered how to blend timeless elegance with a modern touch, stay tuned as we dive into colors, fabrics, and all the secrets to looking effortlessly polished. Sage green has gained immense popularity for formal events because it's a versatile and understated hue that still exudes a soft, fresh charm. This subtle shade complements a wide range of skin tones and works beautifully with various seasonal wedding themes. Choosing a dress with sleeves can be both stylish and practical. Sleeves provide a touch of modesty, extra coverage for cooler weather, and a flattering silhouette that complements nearly every body shape. Whether the design features short sleeves, three-quarter lengths, or a gently draped long sleeve style, sage green pairs effortlessly with each option. Fabrics like chiffon, lace, or a subtle satin blend can really elevate the overall look of your mother of the bride dress. Chiffon adds a soft, flowing feel that's ideal for warm weather celebrations, while lace brings a delicate texture that adds sophistication without feeling heavy. When it comes to accessorizing, sage green, neutrals and metallics are your best friends. Consider pairing this dress with simple nude or champagne-toned footwear to maintain a balanced look. For your jewelry, gold pieces can help warm up the cool undertones of sage green, while silver accessories can highlight its subtle elegance. One of the greatest advantages of this dress color and cut is how easily it adapts to different times of year. In the warmer months, opt for airy fabrics and minimal accessories to keep your outfit light and breathable. By choosing a sage green dress with sleeves, you're embracing a refined look that can gracefully transition through any season or wedding theme. Remember to pick the fabric that suits your comfort level. Experiment with accessories that enhance the dress's soft hue, and above all, wear your ensemble with confidence. If you found these insights helpful, show your support by hitting that like button, leaving a comment about your favorite styling tip, or subscribing for even more fashion-focused advice.